Module, we'll be talking about operators in JavaScript. Operators are symbols that are used to perform an operation on data. And I know that sounds pretty open-ended, and that's because there are actually so many operators and so many different ways that you can manipulate data using operators that it kind of has to be a very open-ended definition. But we're going to dig in a little deeper, and in the next parts of this video, we are going to actually look at the different types of operators and even look at some examples of each one. There are four basic different types of operators. The first type is arithmetic, and those are operators that are used to perform mathematical operations. Many of these you'll be very familiar with. There might be one or two that are new to you, but we will take a look at those and I'll explain them. There are comparison operators. These are used to compare two values and to decide whether they're equal or one is greater or less than the other. Typically, these comparison operators will give you either a true or a false result. Logical operators are used to make complex Boolean statements. In other words, is number X greater than number Y and number A is greater than number B, or something along those lines. Logical operators are used to make more complex operations possible that allow for a variety of different variables and values to be used. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. We've already used the main assignment operator, which is the equal sign, but there are a few others that I want to share with you. So in the next few videos, we'll go over each one of those.